एक बात बोलिए मुझे, आप जब प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं तो इनकम के साइड में कितना एंट्रीज होती है?
एक ही एंट्री होता है इनकम
सेल्स
बस।
ओके, और एक्सपेंस के साइड में कितना एंट्री होती है?
1000 एंट्रीज।
ओके,
The OPEX is always
हाँ,
increasing.
तो उसमें एक्सपेंस के साइड में जो जो एंट्रीज होता है, जो जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपका अकाउंटेंट है, आपका लेबर है, कोई कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर है, वो सब लोग ट्रेंड है कि अनट्रेंड है?
ट्रेंड है।
ट्रेंड है। और आपके सेल्स पीपल ट्रेंड है क्या?
नहीं, they learn it. And most of the companies say, we will teach you sales. First of all, you should know what sales is. It's just not selling the item, the entire thing. You're right. Absolutely.
See, again, when they say we'll teach you sales, I have got an article also that when they say they'll teach you. See, selling has two components. One is product knowledge. Another is selling skills. One is product knowledge, another is selling skills. Now, most of the companies, they give product knowledge.
That's what they have, so they give.
Okay, and they think now they have provided selling. But what they don't realize is, in the market, product knowledge is 30%. Selling skills is 70%.
Obvious.
See, recently I was doing a role play with somebody. Okay, so he's selling crystals. He's selling crystals. Now, obviously, I cannot compete with his knowledge about crystals, can I?
Impossible.
Huh? Impossible. Because and also he is selling crystals for more than, I think, 10, 12 years or 15 years.
He's a stalwart in that domain. We
Right?
cannot.
Okay. So we were having a role play. So first he was trying to sell. And then I was trying to sell. Now when he was trying to sell, he failed miserably.
Because he had product knowledge, he was talking about the product, that's it.
Whereas I have hardly any product knowledge, I could make a sale.
That is the basic funda. Address the problem, live with the problem and give a solution for it. That will close the sale.
Wait here. And this is recorded also. We recorded the whole role play. His part and my part, both we recorded.
Yeah, it is true.
Okay. When did you get into field? When did you start your career?
Maybe in 90, 89, 90.
तो फिर तो आपको याद होगा. Till 92, 93, we were in the seller's market. The demand was high, supply was low. Because we had what is called license Raj.
Correct.
So anything you have to create, you have to have a license, and that's a long process. So, अगर आपको एक कार खरीदना है तो you have to wait for 2-3 years. अगर आपको
Even a scooter
5-6 साल रुकना है. अगर आपको फोन खरीदना है तो 8-10 महीना रुकना है. So, we had less supply and more demand. So we were in the seller's market. Okay. Now 92-93 is when Manmohan Singh started to open up the economy.
These people took up this.
And slowly, by about 99-2000,
The trio.
we have,
P.V. Narasimha Rao, Manmohan Singh, Chidambaram. This trio changed the liberalization quotient.
So today we are in the buyer's market.
Correct.
Okay, अगर आपको कार चाहिए, you go to any one car showroom, by tomorrow you'll get 10 calls. आप हमारे पास ले लो, आप हमारे पास ले लो, आप हमारे पास ले लो. बराबर. So now there is a 180-degree shift from seller's market to buyer's market. But most of the corporates, they are still in that era.
You're still right.
Okay, now in the seller's market, you did not need selling skills. You needed product knowledge.
Correct.
Because मुझे पता है अगर बस भी खरीदना है तो भी वेट करना पड़ेगा, फिएट भी खरीदना है तो वेट करना पड़ेगा. So I just want to compare both.
The best product I want to.
So you don't need to be a salesperson Okay, because as even assuming you're a designated salesperson, you are not there to sell. Because you know people are standing in queue. But you have to answer people's questions.
Product query to answer.
So you have to answer product queries. So that is why product knowledge was important. So most of the companies, they are still living in that era.
Absolutely.
Where their focus is on the product. लेकिन आज की तारीख में ये है कि product is important, but selling skills is more important. Is to empower 1 million business owners to 3x their profit in 1 year. So, if you want to be one among them, get in touch with us. Have a great day.